Chapter 13. Other famous cities of India. Besides Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai, there are many other big and beautiful cities in India. Let us know more about some of them. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory and is also the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. It is a beautiful city and is well known for its cleanliness and town planning. It is named after Chandi, the goddess of power. It was designed by Le Corbusier, a French architect. It was given the status of a union territory in 1966. Most of the people here speak Punjabi, Hindi and English. Chandigarh is famous for its rock garden. This garden was made out of waste material and designed by Nek Chand. The Rose Garden of Chandigarh has more than 1,000 varieties of rose, making it the biggest garden in Asia. The other attraction of this city is Sukhna Lake. It is a large man-made lake which is a picnic spot too. Mango Festival, Baisakhi, Tej and Plaza Carnival are the various festivals celebrated here. Lucknow. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is situated on the banks of the river Gomti. It is known as City of Nawabs, as it saw its glorious days under the Nawabs. The people here speak Hindi, Urdu and English. This city is known for its aeronautics, handicrafts, food and electrical goods industries. Lucknow is very popular for its chikankari work all over the world. Chota Imam Bara, Bara Imam Bara, Residency, Baradri, Hanuman Mandir, Clock Tower and Shaheed Smarak are some main historical and important places of tourist interest. Hazratganj and Aminabad are the main shopping centers of Lucknow. Diwali, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Christmas and all other festivals are celebrated here. Fact File. The original name of Lucknow is Lakhanpur. It is also known as the Golden City of the East and Shiraj-e-Hind. Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is situated on the banks of the river Ganga. It was earlier known as Patliputra and was the capital of the mighty King Chandragupta Maurya. It got its name during the reign of Sher Shah Suri, who was buried at Sasaram. Gandhi Maidan, Gol Ghar, Takht Shri Patna Sahib, Patna Museum, Buddha Memorial Park and Martyrs Memorial are some famous places of tourist interest. Nalanda, Pavapuri and Rajgir are important centers of Buddhist and Jain pilgrims. Bodh Gaya, near Patna, is the place where the Buddha attained enlightenment. Bhojpuri, Hindi, Urdu and English are the main languages spoken in the city. Chhath, Holi, Diwali, Gurupurab and Eid are some of the important festivals celebrated here. Fact File. The first President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, was from Patna. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Earlier Hyderabad served as a joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad has a tropical wet and dry climate. Summers are hot and dry and winters are cold. Golconda Fort, Charminar, Birla Mandir, Hussain Sagar Lake and Salar Jung Museum are some famous monuments and places to visit. Mecca Masjid is close to Charminar. This is one of the largest mosques in the world. Telugu, Urdu and English are the three main languages spoken in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is famous for real pearls. Thus, the city is also known as City of Pearls. Hyderabad is famous for patola saris and textiles too. The Kalamkari art of weaving is famous all over the world. This city is well known for the computer industry too. Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Muharram, Navratri, Pongal and Tyagaraja are some of the popular festivals of Hyderabad. Fact File: Salar Jung Museum has the world's largest one-man collection. Fact File: Hyderabad city is also famous as Cyberabad, the high-tech city of India. Jaipur. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It was founded by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, after whom it is named as Jaipur. It is also known as the Pink City because most of the buildings here are made of pink sandstone. Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar, City Palace, Jal Mahal, Jaigarh Fort, Amber Fort and Nahargarh Fort are some very famous historical monuments of Jaipur. Jaipur has got a thriving marble industry. These marble sculptures are famous all over the world. The main industries of Jaipur are based on handicrafts such as jewelry, tie and dye work, bandhani, and stone and ivory work. Johri Bazaar is a very famous shopping area in Jaipur. Tej, Gangaur, Elephant Festival, etc. are some famous festivals of Jaipur. Bengaluru. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Earlier, it was known as Bangalore. It is also popularly known as Garden City of India. The city has many tourist places. The Nandi Temple and Shiva statue are two such examples. Lal Bagh Glass House, Tipu Sultan's Palace, Vidhan Sabha and the Government Museum are some other places of tourist interest. The weather of Bengaluru is very pleasant as the winters and summers are mild and enjoyable. People speak either Kannada or English. Bengaluru is very famous for its silk sarees. Dussehra, Feast of Saint Philomena and Makar Sankranti are the major festivals of Bengaluru. Computers, machines, chemicals, electronic goods, aircraft, telephone, watches and textiles are the important industries of Bengaluru. Today, modern Bengaluru is an ultra-modern city and a hub of information technology. Thus, it is called the Silicon Valley of India. The city is also famous for its sandalwood and rosewood items, wall hangings, leather puppets and wooden toys. Art pieces of Bidri work of Bengaluru are very popular in the whole world. Fact File: Silicon Valley is an industrial region in California, USA. Many of the world's top technology companies have their headquarters in this area, which is the global center for technological innovation. Points to remember: Chandigarh is the capital of two states, Punjab and Haryana. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It lies on the banks of river Gomti. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It is an ancient city situated on the banks of river Ganga. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as Pink City. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. It is also known as the Garden City of India.